In this video, we will discuss binary weighted resistor digital to analog converters. One of the simplest form of digital to analog converter is a binary weighted resistor digital to analog converter. This circuit is basically an inverting summing amplifier with a binary weighted resistor network. The binary weighted resistor network is connected between inverting input of the operational amplifier and digital inputs of digital to analog converter. So this is the diagram of an inverting summing amplifier. Resistance RF, the feedback resistance, is connected between output and inverting input. Resistors RA, RB, RC to RN are connected between inputs VA, VB, VC, VN respectively and inverting input of the operational amplifier. Output voltage V0 is equal to minus RF into VA by RA plus VB by RB plus VC by RC plus Vn by Rn. Let us consider the diagram of an n-bit binary weighted resistor digital to analog converter. So basically, this is an inverting summing amplifier. Resistors R by 2 raised to 0, R by 2 raised to 1, R by 2 raised to 2, to R by 2 raised to n minus 1 connects various inputs D0, D1, D2, Dn minus 1 respectively to the inverting input of the operational amplifier. Whenever a digital input is equal to 0, SPDT switches shown in the diagram will connect that particular input to ground, and whenever an input is equal to 1, reference voltage VR is connected to that particular input. So the diagram consists of an operational amplifier in inverting mode, a binary weighted resistor network which consists of n resistors, a feedback resistance RF connected between output and inverting input, n number of single pole double throw switches. As value of resistance of an input n is the binary weighted value of the previous input n minus 1, this is called as a binary weighted resistor digital to analog converter. The operational amplifier along with resistor RF acts as an inverting amplifier. SPDT switches connects one end of the resistance in the binary weighted resistor network either to reference voltage VR or to ground. D0 is the LSB of the digital input and Dn-1 is the MSB of the input. When an input is connected to reference voltage VR, current flows through the resistance connected between inverting input of the op-amp and the corresponding input. Say for example, if a digital input dk is equal to logic 1, corresponding SPDT switch connects reference voltage VR to that particular input. So for simplicity, let us consider the diagram of a 3-bit binary weighted resistor digital to analog converter. This is the diagram of a 3-bit binary weighted resistor network digital to analog converter. The three inputs are D0, D1 and D2, which connects reference voltage or ground to the inputs of the resistance network. Resistor RF is connected between output and inverting input of the op-amp. 3 resistors R by 2 raised to 0, that is equal to R by 2 raised to 1, which is equal to R by 2, and R by 2 raised to 2, which is equal to R by 4, are connected between the 3 inputs D0, D1 and D2 respectively, and the inverting input of the operational amplifier. Let us analyze a simplest digital to analog converter, a 1-bit digital to analog converter with input D0. For input D0, there are 2 possibilities, either logic 0 or logic 1. When D0 is equal to logic 0, current flow through the resistor R is equal to 0. So current flow through feedback resistance RF is equal to 0. So output voltage V0 is equal to 0. And if D0 is equal to logic 1, then current flows through resistance R, which flows through the feedback resistance RF, resulting in a voltage drop across the feedback resistance RF. We know that decimal equivalent of binary value 1 is equal to 1. So when D0 is equal to logic 1, the output voltage must be minus 1 volt. So let us assume that the feedback resistance RF is equal to 1K. When RF is equal to 1K, the current flow through feedback resistance is equal to 1 milliampere, so that voltage drop across the feedback resistance RF is equal to minus 1 volt, as output voltage V0 is equal to minus IF into RF. As there is only one input, IF is equal to I0, application of KCL at the inverting input of the operational amplifier. That means current flow through resistance R is equal to 1 milliampere. So I0 is equal to VR divided by R. As digital input D0 is equal to logic 1, reference voltage VR is connected to one end of resistance R. So I0 is given as VR divided by R. That means we can write R is equal to VR divided by I0. That means R is equal to 5 divided by 1 milliampere. R is equal to 5K. So this table represents the digital input corresponding value of current flow through the feedback resistance RF and analog output voltage V0. Now let us extend the concept of 1-bit DAC to a 2-bit binary weighted resistor network digital to analog converter. Here the inputs are D1 and D0. So we know that value of resistance connected between D0 and inverting input of the operational amplifier is equal to 5K. So the unknown term is value of resistance R1. So let resistance connected between input D1 and inverting input of the operational amplifier is R1. Current flows through R1 if and only if D1 is equal to logic 1. So we have already discussed the input combination 0, 1. So this time let us discuss the input combination 1, 0. D1 is equal to logic 1 and D0 is equal to logic 0. So binary input is equal to 1, 0 means the analog voltage must be minus 2 volt, as 2 is the decimal equivalent of the binary value 1, 0. When V0 is equal to minus 2 volt, current flow through feedback resistance RF is equal to 2 milliampere, as IF is equal to V0 divided by RF. So V0 is equal to minus 2 volt and RF is equal to 1 kilo ohms. Also, IF is equal to I0 plus I1, application of KCL at the inverting input of the operational amplifier. So I0 is the current flow through resistance R and I1 is the current flow through the resistance which is connected between digital input D1 and inverting input of the operational amplifier. So when D1 is equal to logic 1 and D0 is equal to logic 0, current flow through the first resistance of value 5K is equal to 0 milliampere, as its input is connected to ground, and current flow through the resistance R1 is equal to 2 milliampere. That means I1 is equal to 2 milliampere. So current flow through resistance R1 is given as I1 is equal to VR divided by R1. So rearranging the terms, we will get R1 is equal to VR divided by I1, that is equal to 5 divided by 2 milliampere, that is equal to 2.5K. So this is the diagram of a 2-bit binary weighted resistor network digital to analog converter. Value of R0 is equal to 5K and value of R1 is equal to 2.5K. Value of feedback resistance is equal to 1 kilo ohms. Now let us verify the truth table of this 2-bit binary weighted resistor network digital to analog converter. Reference voltage is fixed as VR is equal to plus 5 volt. When a particular input is 1, reference voltage VR is connected to that input. When a particular input is 0, that input is connected to ground. Let us apply various input combinations. The first input combination is 0, 0. D1 is equal to 0 and D0 is equal to 0. So D0 is equal to 0. Current flow through 5K resistance is equal to 0 milliampere. D1 is also equal to 0. Current flow through 2.5K resistance is equal to 0 milliampere. Current flow through feedback resistance is equal to 0 milliampere. Output voltage V0 is equal to 0 volt. Now the second input combination 0, 1. D0 is equal to 1. When D0 is equal to 1, the corresponding resistance of the binary weighted resistor network is connected to reference voltage plus 5 volt. So current flow through 5 kilo ohm resistance is equal to 1 milliampere. D1 is equal to 0. So current flow through 2.5 kilo ohms resistance is equal to 0 milliampere. Total current flow through feedback resistance is equal to 1 milliampere. Voltage drop across 1 kilo ohms resistance is equal to minus 1 volt. When input combination is 1, 0, so D0 is equal to 0. So current flow through 5 kilo ohms resistance is equal to 0 milliampere. D1 is equal to 1. So current flow through 2.5 kilo ohms resistance is equal to 2 milliampere. So total current flow through feedback resistance is equal to 2 milliampere. So voltage drop across 1 kilo ohms resistance is equal to 2 volt. So output voltage is equal to minus IF into RF. So output voltage V0 is equal to minus 2 volt. When digital input is equal to 1, 1, so this time Reference voltage VR is connected to both inputs. So current flows through both resistors. Current flow through 5 kilo ohms resistance is equal to 1 milliampere. Current flow through 2.5 kilo ohms resistance is equal to 2 milliampere. Total current flow through feedback resistance is equal to 3 milliampere. So voltage drop across 1 kilo ohms resistance is equal to 3 volt. So output voltage V0 is equal to minus IF into RF. Output voltage V0 is equal to minus 3 volt. So this is the final diagram of a 2-bit digital to analog converter. Now let us consider a 3-bit digital to analog converter. Value of resistance between LSB of the input and inverting input of the operational amplifier is equal to 5 kilo ohms. Value of resistance between the next significant bit and inverting input is equal to 2.5 kilo ohms, and the value of resistance R2 is unknown. So here we have to find the value of resistance R2. So the value of first resistance is equal to 5 kilo ohms. Value of second resistance is equal to 2.5 kilo ohms. And here this is a binary weighted resistor network. So value of Rn is equal to binary weighted value of the previous resistance, half of the previous resistance. So value of previous resistance for R2 is equal to 2.5K. So value of R2 is equal to half of 2.5K. That means R2 is equal to 1.25K. Now let us consider the expression for output voltage V0. For a 2-bit digital to analog converter, output voltage can be written as V0 is equal to 0 volt if both inputs are logic 0. V0 is equal to minus 1 volt if and only if V0 is equal to logic 1. V0 is equal to minus 2 volt if and only if D1 is equal to logic 1. And V0 is equal to minus 3 volt if D0 and D1 are logic 1. So for a 2-bit DAC, we can write the expression for output voltage V0 as V0 is equal to D0 into minus RF by R0 into VR plus D1 into minus RF by R1 into VR. So for a 3-bit binary weighted resistor network digital to analog converter, this expression becomes V0 is equal to D0 into minus RF by R0 into VR plus D1 into minus RF by R1 into VR plus D2 into minus RF by R2 into VR. So for a 4-bit DAC, this expression becomes V0 is equal to D0 into minus RF by R0 into VR plus D1 into minus RF by R1 into VR plus D2 into minus RF by R2 into VR plus D3 into minus RF by R3 into VR. So we can write for an n-bit binary weighted resistor digital to analog converter, this expression can be generalized as V0 is equal to D0 into minus RF by R0 into VR plus D1 into minus RF by R1 into VR plus Dn minus 1 into minus RF by Rn minus 1 into VR. In the above equation, minus RF and VR are common. So we can write V0 is equal to minus RF into VR inside bracket D0 by R0 plus D1 by R1 plus Dn minus 1 by Rn minus 1. For a n-bit binary weighted resistor digital to analog converter, if R0 is equal to R, then R1 is equal to R by 2 raised to 1, R2 is equal to R by 2 raised to 2, R3 is equal to R by 2 raised to 3, and Rn is equal to R by 2 raised to n. So output voltage V0 is equal to minus Rf into VR inside bracket D0 by R plus D1 by R by 2 raised to 1 plus D2 by R by 2 raised to 2 plus Dn minus 1 by R by 2 raised to n minus 1. So we can write V0 is equal to minus Rf into VR inside bracket D0 by R plus 2 raised to 1 D1 by R plus 2 raised to 2 D2 by R plus 2 raised to n minus 1 Dn minus 1 by R. So here R is a common term in the denominator. So we can rewrite the above expression as V0 is equal to minus Rf into VR divided by R into D0 plus 2 raised to 1 D1 plus 2 raised to 2 D2 plus etc. 2 raised to n minus 1 Dn minus 1. This is the expression for output voltage of an n-bit binary weighted resistor network digital to analog converter. Thanks for watching Circuit Analytica. Enjoy learning.